My friends actually gave me a lot of great compliments after they were installed and staying. They were really it's like wow.
JB Sash installation crew shows up. They know what they're supposed to do. They have a plan and a schedule ahead of time.
I think we're well known for installation because we know windows and doors. We know how they go in. We know which product should go where. We make sure that all the material is there for the installer so he's not running around once he's on the job.
We can make the process of buying, installing, and replacing the windows an easy one.
Installation process was very good. Prompt, showed up on time. I mean, most contractors, when I've hired them in the past, they say they'll come on Tuesday, they might come on Wednesday and not necessarily call me. With JB Sash, they say, well, they'd even call you ahead of time and say, well, we're coming this time at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning, show up on time.
Thorough, professional, considerate.
And it's a service that I consider over and above.
And so what I ended up with was a complete order. I knew exactly what the windows were going to cost, and they came in exactly on time. From the beginning till all the way through putting the windows in, we felt they were done correctly.